In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set reduce white point in iPhone. Alright, let's get started. I'm on the home screen right now, so the first thing I'm going to do is open up the settings app. Once settings is open, I'm going to scroll down a bit and look for battery, then tap right into it. Now that I'm inside the battery section, I'm going to find auto brightness and tap on that. Depending on your iPhone model or how your settings are arranged, you might need to scroll just a little, but once you see auto brightness, go ahead and open it. From here, I'm going to slowly scroll all the way down toward the bottom of the screen. Take your time here because the option we're looking for is near the bottom. Once you get there, you'll see something called reduce white point. This feature is really helpful if you feel like your screen is too bright or harsh, even when your brightness is turned down. What reduce white point does is lower the intensity of bright colors, especially whites, making the screen easier on your eyes. So at this point, I'm going to tap the toggle next to reduce white point to turn it on. As soon as I do that, you'll probably notice the screen dim slightly and look a bit softer. It's not changing your brightness slider exactly, but it's reducing how intense the bright areas appear. Once reduce white point is turned on, you'll see a slider appear just below it. This is where you can adjust how strong the effect is. I'm going to drag the slider slowly to the right to increase the reduction, and you can see the screen getting less bright and more comfortable. If it feels too dim, you can slide it back to the left until it looks just right for you. This part is completely based on personal preference, so there's no right or wrong setting here. Some people like just a small reduction, especially for nighttime use, while others prefer a stronger reduction if they're sensitive to bright screens, or use their phone for long periods. You can pause here for a moment and look around your screen. Open a menu, scroll through text, or switch apps to see how it feels. You'll notice that whites aren't as intense, and the overall display feels easier on the eyes, especially in darker environments. If you ever feel like you don't need reduce white point anymore, turning it off is super easy. Just come back to this same spot and tap the toggle to turn it off. The screen will instantly return to its normal appearance. You can also adjust the slide at any time if your lighting changes during the day or night. For example, you might want a stronger reduction at night and a lighter one during the day. Nothing is locked in, so feel free to tweak it whenever you want. Once you're happy with how it looks, you can simply exit out of settings. Reduce white point will stay active in the background, and you don't need to keep anything open for it to work. And that's it. You've now successfully set up reduce white point on your iPhone, making your screen more comfortable to look at and easier on your eyes whenever you're using your device.